my name is Chris Lavin. I'm the Executive Director of the Boys and Girls Club in Geneva. This is our kitchen, and normally it's just bustling with activity. We're on break now, but I have to tell you that for the last 2 years, a great partnership between New York Kitchen in Canandaigua and the club here has resulted in kids getting trained up there, coming down here, getting some real experience, getting paid for some of their work. They learn to come to work on time, to do great work. They get food handling permits. And so far, 6 of our kids have come through New York Kitchen, this kitchen, and are now over at Wegmans, working for Danny Wegmans, and hoping to move from the cashier line into their kitchen as well. So food is an act of love, and it's also a great basic training for kids in labor and in caring, on-time performance. And the partnership we have with New York Kitchens has been just a godsend to this club and to many of our kids. Thank you.
I had a very joyful experience at New York State Kitchen. The chefs were really nice. They introduced me into new techniques I could use for cooking at home, and it was just fun. I ate a lot of food there. It was good.
It was fun going to New York Kitchen. Thank y'all for having me.
Going to New York State Kitchen, it was a good experience. It was really fun. Thank y'all.
I go to Franklin. I'm an upcoming senior, and today I learned the different numbers like 80 or like 25. Is the difference between how much meat is in a certain meat container and how much fat is in a certain meat container. And thank you, New York Kitchen, for having us.
Hi, my name is Jasmine. I go to early college. I'm in 11th grade, and something that I learned today is that no matter what you can make anything with everything that you have. And I want to thank the New York Kitchen for helping me know how to make stuff out of just anything.
My name is Giovanni Luciano. I'm in 10th grade at East High School. My favorite part about today was probably learning all these different opportunities and stuff that the New York Kitchen has to offer, and yeah, stuff like that. But thank you, New York Kitchen, for teaching us this stuff today and giving us these awesome opportunities.
My name is Deshaun Hughes. Going to the 10th grade. My favorite part about today was the burgers, the meat burgers.
How good was the burger?
It was so good that it was better than my mom's burger. Thank you, New York Kitchen, for providing this opportunity for us.
Hey, 2 step, hey. Okay, that was a clean spin.